Hello everyone, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. Welcome to my place, Seychelles Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India, Bharat, Namaste. Let's start with your reading, and this is going to be as per timelines, okay, like timeless readings. Alright, so follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Seychelles Running, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do so. Let's begin. Alright, so this one card came out and the calling is about the contact, okay? The message is for you, calling is about the contact. So possible you're about to make one call, which is going to be very important, and it was like fixed in your mind from some time that I have to do it. For some cases, it is about that you people are coming in contact. Some of you are coming back in contact, okay? This card is very prominent in your reading because this flipped out and this was in this position. So what I did was I kept this and we're going to take it. I don't know which card is this, but I know this card, okay? So let's begin. There is something that you don't want to, or the situation is not allowing you and the person to lose out on this particular deal or contract or contact. And the most important message was like, you people are coming in contact, which is about time to contact the one. I should theme it, like title it like time to contact the one, whoever this person is. You have the Lovers card, which is amazing energy. So this is about the union of the souls, and this is about the blessing that is coming after some time or pause or after long in your life. This is about decision, this is about commitment, and it's also like a proposal which was destined for a very long time to be, okay? So this is about to be, and it is. So time to contact this person, to hold hands with one another. You're about to talk about your life with the person. This may be with the Gemini, however, this is a blessing, as I said. So your whole energy is about people are looking forward to be with their lovers. People are looking forward to be the one, the contact, the one you really love, the one you really adore. With the Lovers, there is harmony coming in your life, which is so important. Now let's see the mystery card here connected. Someone over here won't be single, or they are about to commit. However, this resonates with you. This is also about someone who stayed for long here. I mean, they were not dating, they were waiting for the one, and now they are here. This means that people who were in contact, they were in love, they never went out dating others. This is something that they were just working on themselves, and they became financially independent and all that stuff that they self-healing and self-care and self-development, okay, not destruction, rather development. They did this here, and now they are ready to be with the one, okay? So this is about growing and on an individual level and coming back together kind of energy. Or some of you were destined to be in this phase of whatever is going in your life. This is giving me the energy of life. And now it is time to look forth to this proposal coming your way. I feel like some of you won't be single anymore, which is beautiful energy. It's a mystery connected with the Lovers card. Your love is coming here, and you won't deny it because you're going to happily enter in this frame, okay? Which is about let's click pictures, kind of. So I feel like especially Cancerians, Scorpions and Pisces, this energy is giving me the vibe of some of you might be dealing with a very independent kind of energy, someone who put out their words and they keep that, the promise they might have done or the promise you have done. This is someone you worked for yourself as well as an individual, and you are single and you are not dating, you're not flirting with anyone, nothing like that. You were focused on your finances and now you're ready to embark on this journey of love, okay? So for some or for many of you, the energy is about the contact you're about to make with the person. Someone over here is looking back and checking whether they have done the commitment or they are dating someone, because this is about the contact and someone is going to ask the one, okay? I feel this is about your energy of receiving or doing this stuff, like, because you are still holding that cup. I feel this is to ensure the one you love, and it is also some feelings that you're holding in and you're not drinking it, like your whatever is here. This means your emotions and everything, you're securing it, which to me is saying that you're about to make a proposal or you're about to get the one. It's very nice actually. Let's see, big change, big contact coming in picture, okay? Some of you are going to gain finances, like it's going to be either inherited, or it is something also that you are preparing. It's kind of like a legacy. It's some work that you're putting out, okay, which is good. Some of you here, lovers, are buying home. It's a function that I see. Function. I see flowers. I see I see flowers. Yes, and I see excitement here. Okay, someone who is very happy walking down the aisle. That kind of energy, like. And different cultures, different style of marriages are there, but the marriage is the bond, okay? So it doesn't matter how it is happening, it is just lifestyle and culture, but the happening thing is beautiful here, okay? So you have Page of Wands. With the Page of Wands does come excitement and curiosity. There may be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, okay? Apart from the sign, beautiful. You are heading towards mysterious journey, a mysterious relationship. The one who is no longer single, the one who is no longer bachelor or bachelorette, I suppose those are words. Something is going to happen here where there's a party and everything, or about to, you know, announce something here. Someone who is going to be startled, okay, with the news. This is the one who is going to head towards having this commitment kind of energy, okay? This is a mysterious some kind of announcement. I do feel that kind of energy, because it's time to contact. So it's a message, it's excitement. Look, Three of Cups. Someone is about to reunite or unite. Someone is about to party, get together. Kindred spirits coming together. And with the High Priest, there's a Taurus. But with the High Priest, there's commitment, proposal. Someone is about to get married. This energy, commitment, marriage, becoming fiance or something like that, is also coming as a surprise. I'm telling you. So there's a curiosity. There's this curiosity. Okay, let's see in the present moment what is. There's a pickup energy to whatever you left behind. That is definitely, you're going to be surprised with certain message, as in general as well, because that is coming, guys. Okay, you're very happy. You're very happy looking at things, looking at surprises, looking at the relationship. This is something happening very gorgeous. Oh baby, we were meant to be. Oh baby, like someone over here is dancing on the tune and this slow music, but beautiful, like something like that. Okay, that's your card. Okay. Oh wow, so you have the excitement that is taking you ahead. In your present mode, you're going to have a lot of excitement connected with the passage of time and with the meeting and with the person, the contact you're about to make, the curiosity connected with the love of your life. This can be something new happening, but whatever is happening, it is going to be exciting phase of your life. Knight of Wands is, I'm hearing the word approach, kind of. Again, this is the sorry, I was about to say, yes, of course, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. What I was about to say, I don't know. But Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy, it is repeating, so maybe that's a sign. But I feel as an excitement, maybe in your chart it is falling, or in someone's chart. But whatever is happening here, this is exciting phase. You're preparing yourself. You're in the next phase. This is about somewhere you are heading. This is something like you really want something that you are thinking, desiring to be real. Okay, it's like boom. So there is this exciting phase coming in the picture. This may be excitement connected with what you are receiving, you're reading. Maybe this is about certain news, certain information, certain description that fits your work, that fits your life, the one you love. This is about also something that you're feeling financially very great, okay, something that you're achieving. This may be some promotion that you're getting. And in love matter, definitely it's like something that excites you is becoming real, like, okay. So that kind of energy. Let's see. Definitely there's move in your frame, which is about reality checks, which is about you're figuring out, which is about I'm ready to contact the person, because your main energy is the Lovers. Okay, so whatever you are going to do in this time frame, it's going to be beautifully manifested. Let's see in the future. Okay, I'm going to take the card, this one. I'm not going to take this card, but this card is giving me the vibe of with the Seven of Swords. Something that was supposed to be said and done, or something that went into the deception hole, kind of. It was supposed to be done, said and everything, but it was not done properly. It was even, there was a lie possible there was something that someone stole someone's heart, which is kind of like a thiefy energy. Again, this, if it was never like manifested properly, which means that it was deception, which means it was lie, something that you were waiting, and now I feel like it's like kind of like your entry in some zone. Okay, that's it. Yes, entry in some zone. You're about to become very important part of some organization here. There's going to be fertility. This may be pregnancy. This may be family planning that you lovers are making. Some of you are getting married now. Some of you are, I don't know, maybe this is the energy coming, like some female energies here got pregnant, okay, and with their lovers, and now they're getting married, they're very happy, they're celebrating something double, I see, that kind of energy. Okay, now time to contact and get in, do la and the stuff. Okay, but with this energy, it is about some important contact coming in the picture. You're about to contact the one, or someone is contacting you. This is very important here. Whatever was exciting, whatever is, someone is very excited and very happy. So maybe this is your person coming all the way, making, they will be the role model for something here. Okay, the Empress energy, important phase, important contact, manifestation of some sort. Okay, let's see what is connected with this. What kind of fertility is coming in your life? Some of you are celebrating, as I said, I see flowers, celebrating position. Some of you are family planning, 10 of Cups energy here. Let's see what is going to happen. Some of you been waiting on this, and now the conceive energy, or celebration of, there's a baby shower or something like that. Let's see this. Okay, some of you are coming in contact with, again I will be repeating, with the Lovers, Gemini here, but apart from that, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air element here. This may be a male energy you are giving news to. If this is not the case, it is any sign like male or female, but King of Swords is here, which is about you people have gained your thrones. Okay, now you have manifested the stuff, and this is the one you are about to talk with. 12 recording time. This person is going to be very important to you. Okay, here in the coming picture, this is someone you're going to talk. Time to contact the one. Okay, this is excitement, curiosity, heading towards the new phase, and talking with the person with the 10 of Cups energy. It's about commitment or contact, whatever is going to happen. It is about someone is going to propose someone. Wow, interesting. Someone is about to propose here, someone, which is the one you really love. Okay, and this whatever contact and whatever is going to happen is going to be very, very earthy. Okay, now again, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, but with Earth, someone who is excited, someone who is manifesting it. Okay, there's a horn that is coming from far. I don't know whether the camera is capturing it or not, but I could hear it. This means look at these dots. Okay, so to me it is trying to say that something is reaching. Okay, this is also about kind of like the train is reaching kind of energy, like long journey that someone took, or long time someone took. Now is time that it is coming towards you. You don't realize till the time it is near. So two dots, even they are coming together for a manifestation. Okay, I can't love you kind of energy. Okay, now here, something that was not possible prior, something that was delayed, something that took so much of time is going to excite you in the coming time. It's about balancing of the two dots and balancing of the situation. And this, I can't love you. The one, maybe the one you said that I can't love you kind of energy. Okay, and you had distance or separate modes here. I can't love you. Or maybe you're about to hear from someone that they may say I can't love you kind of. Okay, because of the time or the passage or the changes. Look, apology coming. So some of you are going to hear an apology. Some of you are going to do this, like an apology going from your side to the person, because these are general vibes. I can't love you. I apologize here. I'm sorry for the fact that it was not manifested proper here. Now is coming in the picture. Let's see. So the exciting news is about the finale. Something is going to happen, which is now it's time to contact, as I said. So now it's time to contact. Okay, whatever was dried out, dry leaves and all that stuff is going to be exciting. They're going to grow again. Okay, so something is definitely connected from the past energy. Let's see on the King of Swords. Something is special in heart. You're going to figure out, you're going to ask from them, this person, you're going to ask this. It's possible for some cases it's going to be specific female vibe here, or for some of you male, okay, because these are general and you are getting the signs. But something special in heart, you're going to ask them, you're going to even express it. However this fits, because this is the lovers are coming together. So you're going to ask them, do you feel honey? Okay, they might run in the opposite direction for some cases, not for everyone, but this is the time to contact. Okay, take care guys, I love you, see you soon, bye.